Hello everyone, welcome to Arca Trade Market. Yeah, in our previous videos, we have learned about risk reward, money management, and emotional control. I mean to say, discipline. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about three major factors in a successful career. Okay, one is technical and fundamental analysis, and also uh, routine and continuous improvement. Okay, and third one is lifestyle and habits. Okay, these may seems to be so simple to you, but these are very important in a successful trader's career. Okay, if you want to be successful, these are very important. So please follow these. Okay, so let's start with the technical and fundamental analysis today. Okay, what is that? In general, we know how to analyze a stock. Okay, in order to analyze a stock, for there are two types of things are there. What is that? What is the purpose actually? For long term investment and also for intraday or short term, very short term investment. For very long term investments, you should know, you should follow fundamental analysis, which means you have to study all the balance sheet of a stock. Okay, so that you will come to know how the company is and how it was performing previously and how is it performing right now, so that you can come to some idea that how it is going to be in future. Okay, and when it comes to the technical analysis, this is mainly to focus on intraday trading or short term, very short term, you can say swing trading. Okay, for this you have to follow this. Okay, what comes under this? Okay, mainly you have to learn price action. Okay, which is also you can say price action mastery. Okay, how will you do that? By learning candlestick patterns and also the resistance supports, all these things, kind of things. You will come to learn technical analysis. Okay, also the indicators, you have to follow the indicators. Okay, and also here I want to suggest, like, don't overload your chart with so many indicators. Okay, use maximum one, two, three. Okay, these are maximum enough. Okay, to tell you the technical analysis for the day. Okay, and also uh, like things like RSA, what is it for? Momentum. Okay, MACD, what is it for? It's for trend. And also you can add volume or something else for confirmations. Okay, this is also called what? Confluence. This is very important point. My friends, make a point here. This is very important, confluence. Okay, if you can follow these three kind of things now, you will get an idea where to take the entry. Okay, so this is one important point. Also here, trend is your friend. Always remember, trade with the overall direction. Okay, just don't go against it. Okay, and also news and events, where it will help for long term investments. This point will help you very much. Okay, economic data, which means inflation, GDP, interest rates. We used to hear so many times all these points in our news channels, right? And also earning reports. Okay, uh, where will you get it? Earning reports, where will you get this from? Your balance sheet, company's balance sheet. Okay, if you follow these things now, you will have a great success in your trading career. And also next important point is improvement. What is improvement? Routine and continuous effort. Okay, so that you will improve. For that, what you have to do? Here I'll tell you few points to do it. Okay, first one, maintain a trading journal. Okay, what is it? So that you can record every trade's date, instrument. Okay, entry and exit, and stop loss. If the trade is successful, why? Reason. You have to mention there. So that you will come to know, and you have to control the emotion, so that outcome will be in your favor. Okay, So this is very important to maintain a trading journal for a good trader. Okay. In further coming videos, I will tell you how to maintain it. I'll give you an example if you want. And next, it's reviewing your trade. Okay. Yeah, weekly, monthly review. We call it. I mean to say, after completion of 1 week, you will know how it happened. Okay. Spot patterns in mistakes. Okay. And you'll come to know if you are doing over trading or entering too early or ignoring stop loss. You will come to know all these things. Okay. If you review your trading journal every week and month, you have to maintain it. Okay, so that your trading career will be so great. Okay, back testing, it is very very important. So many people will ignore it, but I'm telling you, this back testing is very very important for a beginner. I'm telling you, it's very much important for a beginner. Okay, so what happens, test your strategy on your historical data before using real money. Here what happens now, when you back test it, uh, you'll come to know how your strategy is working. As said earlier, as I just said, if you follow this confluence or something, whatever the strategy you are maintaining, you'll come to know how it is working by doing a back testing. Okay. uh, why we should do back testing? Because you'll come to know how the markets evolved. Okay, markets just won't stay same for long time. Okay, they'll just adapt. Okay, so in order to adapt to that, in order to gain your adaptability to the market, what you should do, you should do back testing. For let me tell you one point here, interesting point. When I did my back testing for some time, uh, for few years I have done my back testing, so that I understood few points here. One point, one majorly one point here. Every 3 to 6 months, market will change its course. Okay, the kind of reactions. Okay, and sometimes it may move 300 points, sometimes it may move 100 points, so that its range will vary. Okay, and the kind of reaction it will vary. What happens previously, uh, nowadays we are seeing that market is moving too volatile in first hour or first 2 hours. Okay, previously I observed some point of time, some period of time, that market moved not so much, it was stayed there in the starting period. Okay, then market used to move so volatile in the second half. Okay, these kind of changes you will notice by going further. You will come to understand all these things. Okay, so this is very very important. And one more point, don't just dive into the market with your capital. Okay, so what you should do, it's demo practice. Okay, which means you should not invest all your money first. We can also call it paper trade. Okay, so that you will understand how your strategy is working. Backtesting is as much as important as live trading. Okay, for your live trade, as a beginner, even I do my live trading, you just don't enter with your money blindly. Okay, you just see it, you just follow it for some time, so that you'll come to know how it is performing. Okay, markets generally what happens, start small or a demo until consistent for at least 2 3 months. Okay, so that you won't have fear in further coming trading sessions. That's what I suggest. Okay, and the final one is lifestyle and habits. uh, what is it, boy? You are telling me something else. You are talking about trading and now you are talking about lifestyle and habits. Why you suddenly changed the course? No man, it's very very important. Okay, so what is it? If you have a healthy body, you will have a sharp mind. If you, how will you get those things? By sleeping well, eating clean food. Okay, do some exercises. These may sound so simple to you, but very very effective. Okay, and also avoid distractions. Like what, when you're trading now, you should be so calm and focused to the environment. Which environment? Trading environment. No more disturbances from outside. Okay, you should not have any disturbances. Okay, just try to ignore all the calls you are going to receive on that at particular time. Just schedule them. after some time, after the trading time. Okay, this is very very important. Also, limit your screen time. What is that? Limiting screen time is nothing but you should not sit for whole morning to evening. Okay, as a beginner, you can observe. Okay, what is happening? What is what? If you sit all the time, na, you will have some anxiety and excitement. So that unnecessary, you will involve in unnecessary trades, which leads to your which will ruin your capital. Okay, some which leads to ruin your life. Okay, so be careful with it. Okay, so limit your screen time. Okay, so don't stare at charts endlessly. Simple. Plan it and trade it. Plan the trade and trade the plan. Okay, that's the best word. And next one, uh, work and life balance. Okay, work life balance. What is it? uh, don't just let the trading consume your life. Okay, so that what happens now, uh, if you have I will tell you in simple language so that you will understand. You got some amount, x amount in your account. Okay, if you don't follow this routine now, what will happen, you will lose trades, so which will eventually leads to ruin your capital. Then will start your uh, bad decisions. I can say very very bad decisions you will take in your life, which is very very bad. Okay, which is very very risky for your life. So in order to be a successful trader, in order to uh, have a happy life and healthy life, you should follow these things. Okay, this is what I am talking about, lifestyle. Okay, and habits. And also learn continuously, very very important point. Just make it a habit, learning continuously. And you can follow books or podcasts or mentors or market reports, whatever you want to follow, you can follow. There are so many people in YouTube uh, telling you so much of good information. Okay, just try to, just don't stick to a single person, I'd say. You can follow so many others who are so much experienced in market. So okay, so that you will gain knowledge. Knowledge is everything in these days. Okay, so I'll suggest you just go through all this stuff. Okay, there are so many good books in where online you'll get. Okay, for free also there are so many books available in YouTube channels. Also very very informative videos are there. Just follow whatever you don't know, just follow. Or else ask me in comment box, I'll try to make it for you. Okay, and here I would like to conclude my video by adding few plans, I mean to say a few points here. What are they? Just plan the trade and trade the plan. Okay, risk small, think long term. Okay, control emotions, not the market. Keep learning, keep evolving. See, if you follow these four steps, I'm telling you, boys, I'm telling you, friends, you will rock in your life in trading career, definitely. So, here I will conclude my video. Thank you for watching it. I hope you will have a great trading sessions ahead. Thank you.